let's see how we should enter results. Now, if you look at this individual course registration here, you see that there is a space for score here, for which you can be able to enter scores. However, I will not encourage you to do that. I have tried to discourage typing as much as possible, typing in of results manually as much as possible, because when you type, you can inadvertently type what you don't want to type. So results can be updated here by pointing and clicking. But this is not the best way to do it. So in order to enter results for the students, the best way to do it is we'll come to register results. If you click the regular course, the session and the level, you will see that all the courses that were registered for are showing on this side. So click on any course and you see all the students who registered for the course have been listed here. Now these results are 00. The new feature in this software is division of labor. We are going to download an Excel spreadsheet for this course and give to the lecturer who taught the course, so that he can enter his data, score data directly into this sheet in electronic copy, and the lecturer will send it back to the computer operator, who will upload it after results scores have been entered in this column. So the software is installed in C drive, ARMS app. If you look at the ARMS app directory, there is a folder called score sheets. Every time you download an Excel spreadsheet, it goes to this directory called score sheet, and it is well labeled. So if I click download Excel for Bio 111, download Excel. See, the Excel sheet comes here automatically. See, Bio 111, BSc, CSc regular, 100 level, 2021-2022. It is so labeled so that for every session, for every level, for every course, there is a unique name. There are no clashes. If you click on this, so the spreadsheet opens. Send this copy Excel sheet to the lecturer via WhatsApp or via the lecturer's email, or share it via Drive, and the lecturer can be able to update it by typing information here. Every other column has been passworded or locked. The lecturer cannot change any other thing on the sheet except the score. The lecturer must not update any other information. In fact, any other information cannot be updated because all of them are required. Next thing to do is download for all the other courses. So if you click on Bio 112, click download Excel. CSC 111, download Excel. So here we are back. The lecturers have completed the scores sheet and sent it back to you. We have all the score sheets ready here now. So you can see from this Excel sheet that there is no Excel calculation taking place here. The lecturer just enters the scores and every other thing in the document still remains the same. So once the operator has all these Excel sheets back from the lecturer, all you need to do is just upload the Excel sheets one by one and the scores will be updated. So if we pick a course, for example, Bio 111, click on Upload Excel, and it takes you to this window. The results are in the score sheet. If there are other files there, you can say filter it to select only Excel files. Now, when you have Bio 111 or any course selected here, that is the one you must click to upload. If you click another course to upload, the system will give you a warning. For instance, if I click Bio 112, it's going to tell you uploaded by 112 is different from by 111 because it was not by 112 you selected initially. So you click OK. So select by 111, click open. See, the grades are automatically updated here. So you don't need to type all this by hand. You just, to make sure it enters the database, make sure you click edit record. If you don't click edit record, the scores you have here will not be updated in the database. So click edit record, confirm edit, and you get the message record edited. Then click OK. If you click any other course and go back to click by 111, you discover that 111 has been updated. So we are going to do the same thing for all the other courses. Upload Excel, score sheets, 112, edit, confirm edit, OK. Now this is another process that does take some time. See how much time it took before it came to CSA 111. This is another area where the capacity of your computer and the memory comes to play. CSA 111. Record edited. So we have completed uploading all the courses and the results database has been updated. We can close this window. If we go back to check individual course registrations, select the program, session and level, you will see that the results database has been updated for all the students. Scroll through this and you see information is displayed about total unit registers, total unit passed, total units failed, total grade points, GPA, units of compulsory courses outstanding, and the remark. Below here you see all the courses registered on this side. Courses passed, outstanding courses, core courses outstanding, and courses failed on this side. So that's for the 17 students. Now if there is an issue and the particular student's result needs to be upgraded, for example, there's been a deliberation and it is decided that this student should score 50 or 45 in this course, you can just change it from here. Currently the score is 42. If you come to this side and click 50, see the record is updated. Now I want to discourage you from using this part to update scores. As much as possible, use the Excel sheet. Okay, now we are going to take it back to 42. First of all, you click elsewhere, then come back here and click before you click 42. So the record is back to 42. In this window you can add a new course, which we will see later when we start registering from second year. After we see the results of this first year, we'll see how to use that. You can post a new record, you can edit the record, you can delete the entire record, you can delete a specific row, a specific course for a student here. And if you click on print, everything here will go to an Excel sheet. There may not be need to do that because we have reports, standardized reports that shows the results of students. So now that we have results for first year students, before we start registering year 2 students and doing other things with the results, let's see what we can do with the first year results.